Hello and welcome to this demonstration video of interfunnels. In this video we'll give you a demonstration of the system. So let's log in. So after the login you will see this dashboard where you can see this graph which shows you current situation of your funnel. These are the number of visitors who visited the front end of your funnel. These are number of leads you generated. These are the order form impressions. These are the number of sales and the volume of sales, and these are the repeat sales that you generated. So this gives you a nice overview of how your funnel looks like. Now let's create our first funnel. So you can create opt-in funnel, sales funnel, membership funnel, or you can create any custom funnel you want. So let's start with an opt-in funnel. So here you will define the steps of your funnel. So first step is the squeeze page, next step is the OTO or upsell, and then the thank you page, and then the pop-up. This is a simple opt-in funnel. So let's call it demo test 1. Now you want to change the templates of each step, so there is an easy way to do it. Just click here. Let's choose a template. We have a lot of templates available and more templates are being added every day. So let's start with this one. Now we'll select the OTO templates. Let's choose this one. And the thank you template. Let's choose this one. Every funnel has a pop-up as well, so you can choose pop-up templates from here. Let's choose this one and let's create the funnel. That's it. The funnel has been created. If you want, you can go to the funnel checklist or you can go to the funnel steps. Let's go to the funnel steps. Here you can see all the steps in your funnel. So you can see squeeze page on the top, then upsell, then thank you, then pop-up. So every funnel has its own unique URL. This is a temporary URL which you can use to preview your funnel steps. And you can also add a custom domain so that that will replace these temporary URLs, and then your funnel will open on your custom domain. So now let's go to the editor. To edit your pages, just click on the edit page button here. So this is your builder. This is fully drag and drop and customizable. First of all, you have to understand how this builder works. So these are the sections. Basically these are sections, and inside each section there are elements. So these are outer layer is the sections, inner layer is the elements. So everything within a section is an element. Every section has its own menu, like it is a settings menu. Then you can duplicate each section. Like I click here, I'll create an exact copy of this section, and I'll delete this one, and then you can delete a section, and then you can add new sections as well. They will be added just below it. Similarly, elements have their own menu as well. Here you can duplicate an element, and you can delete an element and add new elements. So let's duplicate this element. As you can see, the element has been duplicated. So now that you understand how the elements and sections work, let's try to modify this text. So all you have to do is just start typing here. As you can see, the text has been modified as I was typing. So if I want to change the font color of this, all I have to do is to select this one, and here I have a menu which allows me to freely customize my text. So I can bold it, I can make it italic, I can change the color to, let's say, blue, and you can see all the customizations are happening in the real time. Now let's say I want to add a new element to this section. So adding element, there are a lot of ways to do that, but what you have to do is you have to click this plus button here. Now as soon as you click on this plus button, let's suppose I want to change this headline, and I want to add my own headline. So what I will do is I click this plus button. Now I go to text blocks. Now there are different headlines available for me. I'll choose this one. So the new headline has been added here. I no longer need this one, so I'll just delete it. So there are a lot of other elements available for you to add. For example, countdown counter, bonus boxes, comparison boxes, opt-in forms, buttons, order boxes, testimonials, pricing tables. So there are a lot of different elements available for you. Let's say I want to change this logo, so all I have to do is to double click on this logo, and I can paste my new logo URL here. And the logo has been changed. Now let's say below this I want to add a new opt-in form, so all I have to do is to click the plus button. Now let's go to the opt-in forms. We have a lot of opt-in forms available here, so I will choose one that looks good on this template. Let's choose this one. Yeah, as you can see, this opt-in form has been created. Now just below this I want a countdown counter, so I will click the plus button again and then go to the countdown counter. As you can see, I have a lot of countdown counters available. Let's choose this one. So a countdown counter has been created as well. So we are building our page one step at a time. Now if I want to change the background of this section, I will click this settings menu, and I can choose the background color or background image. So let's give it a background color first. As you can see, the background color has been changed, and if I want to change the background image, then I'll go back to the settings and copy and paste my background image URL. So as you can see, the background has been fully changed. Now let's see how we can add a new video. So we already have a video here. What I will do is I'll delete this video, and now all I have to do is copy the YouTube video URL and paste it here, and boom, the video has been added. Just copy and paste. Just copy and paste your URL. No need to upload, no need to drag and drop, just copy and paste. So the video has been added. Now what I'm gonna do is create some testimonials. So I'll add a new section. Okay, the new section has been added. Now I'll click this plus button and I will go to the testimonials. So as you can see, there are a lot of testimonials available here. You can choose from any one of them. Let's choose this one. So this testimonial has been added here. Now what I will do is I will add a order form just below here. So I'll go to the order boxes and I'll choose this one. So you see this order box has been created here. Now let's say we want to drag this section up a little bit. So what I will do is I will enable the drag and drop mode, and now I will just drag it and it has been moved above and the button is moved below. So now let's try to add some images. So as you can see, there is already a blank image here. So first of all, I will go back to my editing mode and now I will double click this image. Here you can either copy and paste your image URL or you can browse. So there are no images, so let's add some images. So to add images to your media gallery, go to the media and click images and then click upload file. I'll choose this file, then click upload. So the media has been uploaded. Now this image goes directly to your Amazon S3 account, so you don't have to plug in your own account. We give you the Amazon S3 account that is connected to your account. So you can also see, these are the images that are their URL, and you can also copy and paste the HTML code for the images. So now let's go back to our editor. Now if I click the browse button, you will see this image is available here, so I'll include that image. As you can see, the image has been added to this page. So we are building a nice page here from top to bottom. Basically it is a opt-in page. So let's change the text of this button. And then let's link it to the next step in the funnel. So I'll select the next step in the funnel, although there are other options like link to other pages, link to an OTO, attach a payment package, or attach a pop-up, or you can even attach an autoresponder with that. So we'll just link it to the next step in the funnel. Just click on the save button, and then you can also preview your page. So this is the preview of your funnel so far. As you can see, this is the page that has been built in the real time. So let's close this editor. Here you see all the other pages. You can also edit your upsell page, thank you page, and you can also attach a pop-up with your opt-in pages. Now let's create a sales funnel and connect the pages together and take orders, so that you can take orders online. So in order to create a sales funnel, create a new funnel, then create a sales funnel. So this is a typical design of a sales funnel. You have a squeeze page, then a sales page, then 3 OTO pages, then order form, and then the thank you page. There is also a pop-up available if you want to use that. If I want to remove a page, I just have to click this cross button, and now I want just 2 OTO pages, so this has been also created. So let's set some templates. I'm going to choose this one for the opt-in. For the sales page, I'm going to choose this one. For OTO 1, I am going to go with this one. For OTO 2, I'm going to choose the same. Order form doesn't require any template, and then there is thank you page. I'm going to choose this one, and for the pop-up we can get this one. Okay, so let's give it a name, or let's call it demo sales funnel. So the sales funnel has been created. Now what I will do is I will go to my funnels, and under the more menu I will go to funnel settings. Okay, here what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the payments, and this is a paid site. I'm going to select PayPal as my default payment method, although there is also an option for Stripe. And then currency and all other these options are available. I also have options for the autoresponder integration. I can click yes, and then I have Aweber, Active Campaign, Get Response, iContact, Constant Contact, MailChimp, and bulkresponse.com. So all these. So if I want to integrate Aweber with this sales funnel, I will put these API credentials that are available under my Aweber account. Or if I go to Get Response, I'll just need to put the API key, which is very simple. If I want to track the pixels, if I want to track the visitors through Facebook or AdWords pixel, I will copy and paste my code here so that I can retarget the customers. So I'm going to save this. So the sales funnel settings have been saved. Now I will go to the funnel steps. Now I will show you how I can quickly connect the pages together. So first, the top of the funnel is a squeeze page, then there is a sales page, and then there are upsell pages. So I'm gonna go to edit page, and now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna connect this button with the next step in my funnel. So I'll go here and click link to next step in funnel. That's all I have to do for now. I'll close this. Okay, now I'll go to the sales page and do the same. I'm going to connect this button with the next step in the funnel. Then I'm going to save this. Now before I can connect the upsell, I need to do the upsell settings. So I'll go there. So it's asking me how many upsells do I want. So I want just 2 upsells. Next, it's gonna ask me the price of the upsell. Let's set it to $10. And the price of the second upsell, it's going to be $15. Now if you want to make it a downsell, you will select this option. When will your customers see this upsell? When they click when they click no to the last offer. Okay, so this will become a downsell, but I'm gonna make it an upsell, so I'll choose this one. Now as you can see, the 2 upsells have been created. So I will go back to my funnel steps, and now I can customize my order form. So for that I have this option called order form builder. So there are some default fields here, like first name. I'm going to include that. You can optionally have the username and password if you want to, but they are required for the membership site mostly. And the email, this is already selected. So all the default fields are available. I'm going to click next. So InterFunnel allows you to add up to 10 custom fields as well. So let's add a field, text field, and let's call it age. And let's add another field, and let's call it about you. So it will be a text area basically. So these fields will show on my order form as well. Now if I want to set text for my order now button, I can say, or I can select from different add to cart buttons as well. There are a lot of buttons, order now and add to cart buttons available. If you want to add any header to your order form, you can do here. You can add your custom HTML for the header on your order page. So you might want to put a logo or your own sales copy here. I can also create a footer. And I can also set the terms and conditions. So we will continue with our sales funnel. So our sales funnel is pretty much complete, except one more thing, that you have to create the packages and payment plans so that you can define the price of your product. So to do that, you will go to payments menu, and from here you will add a new payment package. So let's call it InterFunnels Pro version. Okay, I'll set a validity date and click next. It will ask me to define the payment plans. I can set up multiple payment plans such as weekly, monthly, quarterly, semi-annually, annually, and one-time payment. So I'll rather set a monthly plan. And if I want to set a free trial, I can do that, but I don't want to set a free trial. Number of payments, these are for the recurring payments, so I want to set it to a high number like 50. Initial payment, this is the first payment that I will get from my customers. I'll set it to be $59, and the recurring fee will be $99. Now I can set up multiple payment plans if I want, but right now I will just set up one payment plan. Now I will go to my sales page again, and this time I will link my button with my package. So I will attach this to a payment package. Okay, I will select my package here, and I will select my payment plan here. I'll confirm this. So now the payment package has been integrated with my order now button. This is my order now button. I'll change the text. Comes an order now button. Okay, I'm gonna save this. Before we can further proceed with the sales funnel demonstration, let me show you how you can add a payment gateway, because a payment gateway will be required to accept payments. So in the menu, payments menu, go to the payment gateway. Here you can see all your payment gateways options. Right now there is PayPal and Stripe already added. If I want to change the PayPal information, I would just put the PayPal email address, then I can either put it on the test mode or the live mode. In the test mode, the payments will go through sandbox of PayPal. So right now we have it in the test mode. We also have other payment options available, such as one shopping cart, two checkout, authorize.net, BluePay, even ClickBank, eWay. If you are an Australian merchant, eWay is very popular in Australia. Skrill, BlueSnap, and WorldPay, which is very popular in UK. So these are all the different payment options available. So right now PayPal and Stripe are added in my account by default. So let's go back to our funnel. So I do want to attach a pop-up with my squeeze page. So let's see how I can do that. Pop-up is always available at the end as a separate page. So this is our pop-up. Basically we can customize the pop-up text here, and we can customize the form here. So I'm gonna customize this, and I'm gonna attach this to my autoresponder, because I have already integrated my autoresponder. So I'll just attach this form with my autoresponder. Okay, so my pop-up has been integrated. So now I have to attach this pop-up with my squeeze page. So the way I will do it is go to the page settings. Under the page settings, I can fire a pixel. Right now I haven't added any pixel, but I can fire a pixel on this page. Then there are autoresponder actions, and then there is pop-up. So I'm gonna, we support click pop-up, on load pop-up, and on exit pop-up. So this is click pop-up or button pop-up. I'm gonna select this, and here I'm going to select my pop-up that will open on click, and attach my pop-up with this button. I'll just click on attach pop-up, and the pop-up will be attached. Alright, now let's create a test order to see how the funnel works. So we'll go to the page preview of the first page, which is the squeeze page. So this is my squeeze page, and I will click this button. This will open a pop-up so that you can capture the lead. I'll put my email, and then I'll click submit. So the lead goes to the autoresponder, and I'm redirected to the sales page, which is the next page in my funnel. So I will click this order button, which is already attached to my payment package. So this is my order now button. Now immediately the first upsell is shown to the user. So this was the next page on my funnel. So I will click yes, I want to order the upsell. If I click on no thanks, then this upsell will not be added to my order. So I will click yes. Now immediately after the first upsell, the second upsell is shown, and I will click yes to it as well. So now I have been redirected to this order form page. I will fill these details really quickly. Now you can see that these are the custom fields that I added from the form builder. They are appearing on my order form, so you can capture extra information if you want. And now you see that by default I selected the PayPal, but if I had the credit card gateway like Stripe or authorized.net, then there would be some extra fields for the credit card processing as well. So this is, I don't have any discount coupon, so I'll just go through the CAPTCHA. I'll agree to the terms and conditions, which can be customized as well, and I'll hit the complete your order button now. Okay, now I have been redirected to this review order page. So as you can see, the order contains my initial product, which was $59. This was the payment package I set up from the payment settings. Then there is a price of upsell 1, then there is a price for upsell 2. So total order total is $84. So if I click on the checkout, it will redirect me to the PayPal or whatever payment gateway I have selected. So here you see that I had an initial price of $59 and the recurring price of $99. So my order total is 84 now and 99 recurring. So this completes the order process. Okay, I am immediately redirected to, after the payment, I was taken to PayPal, and after that I was immediately redirected to this thank you page. So this order has been completed. So if you go back to your members and view members menu, you will see all the orders that are accepted or pending, because I did not complete my payment, so it is showing as pending. And but as soon as member will confirm his payment, he will become active. And now you can also see your order status from order management under payments menu. As you can see, all these orders are showing as pending here as well. So you can manage all your orders from here. Now if you want to create an online training or online video course, then you can create a membership funnel with our system. So let's create a membership funnel. So it has, I don't want 3 upsells, so I will just delete 2 upsells from here. So it starts with the squeeze page, and then it goes to the sales page, and then OTO. Then there is an order form thank you page. So when your members make a payment, they will be redirected to this thank you page, and from there they will be able to access the members area. Optionally, there is also a pop-up available. So let's call it my video course membership. Now the membership funnel has been created, so I will go to funnel steps. Now here you can see that all the pages look like a sales funnel, except that there is a membership page here, and under the membership page there are membership settings, so you have to click that. Now here you can see that there are membership levels, private content, and membership dashboard, and the mobile application if you want to deliver your course. And here is the member login URL. So let's go to the membership levels, and here you will see payment packages and payment plans and payment gateways. Since we have already added a payment gateway, so we'll go to payment packages. I will create 3 payment levels: gold, silver, and bronze. So this is gold membership. So in the payment plan, I will select a payment interval to be monthly. I can set it to be month, quarterly, semi-annually. I'll set the amount to be 99 per month, and then I will create a silver package. I'll set it to be monthly, and I will set it to be $69. Now I'll create the bronze membership. Now that I have created these packages, I will go back to I will go to the members menu and create some training modules. I will call it module 1. I can customize the description here because it will show. Okay, now I will select which membership level will have access to this module. So I will select all membership levels, but if I just wanted the gold members to access this module, then I could specify here, but this is an initial module, so I will select all members. Now here is where the drip feeding of the content comes in. So I can set this the delivery of the content immediately, or I can set it on a future date after they sign up. So let's say I wanted them to see this after 3 days of their sign up, I could add it here, but right now I will want it to be the immediate. Now the module 1 has been created. I will quickly create some copies. Now I want this module to be accessible to the gold and bronze members, but not for the silver member, and I want it to be accessible after 1 week. So I'll select 1 from here, and from here I will select week. Okay, now the module 3 will be only accessible through for the gold members. So I will remove the bronze, and now only my gold members will be able to access this module, and this module will be delivered after 2 weeks. So after 2 weeks they sign up, they will be able to access this module. Alright, now the module has been created. Now I will have to add lessons to each module. So I will go here and create more lessons. Okay, now I will add the lesson title. I will put in here in the menu. I'll put a description here. So in the end, I will put the video inside this lesson. I can either just copy and paste a YouTube or any external video hosting service URL here, or I can use the media gallery and built-in video hosting service. So these videos will be hosted on our Amazon S3 account, and you can upload the videos from here and then integrate them here with your lessons. So all the videos will be streamed from Amazon's cloud server, but for now I will just copy and paste a YouTube video. So as you can see, the video lesson has been created, and now I can add more lessons to this module, or I can switch the modules and add lessons to other modules as well. So you just set up your course like this inside the interfunnels, And now next what I will do is I will log in to the members area, and I will show you how your students will see video lessons and video courses on their end. So this is the login screen. So this is the members login area where your students or your members can log in. You can see this is the dashboard where they can see all their modules that they have access to. This is their discussion forum activity. They can participate in discussion forums, and these are the quizzes, and we are also working on rewards and certificates. So they'll be added very soon. Now what we are going to do is we're going to show you how the modules can be accessed by the students. So here you see that there are 4 modules. This student is having access to only these modules. So if we want to grant another access to another module, we can do that from the admin side. But right now he only has access to these 4 modules. So he can only access the modules that he has been granted access for as per his package or his payment plan. So let's go to each module, and each module has different lessons that your student can watch. And if you click on the lessons, you will see all the lessons are loading. So you can see that this is the view of the lesson, and he can watch the entire video. And then there is discussion forum, there are forum rooms, latest forum rooms, and he can answer different questions. Like these are the different forum rooms that are available right now, and he can go to any forum, and there will be threads, different threads, people discussing different topics, so he can participate in any thread. So under the accounts menu, he can edit his profile, see his billing history, change his package or upgrade his package. For example, he can upgrade from bronze to silver package or gold package, and he can also cancel his membership. So that's all for now. Now thank you very much for watching this demo video. Now we do have 3 different options available for you to choose from. One is the light version, other is the pro version, and third one is the agency version. Now all the features in these versions are similar, except that you can create 20 funnels in the light version, 50 funnels in the pro version, and 100 funnels in the agency version. Also we have a limit on number of users and number of custom domains you can have, but we are having no limits whatsoever on the visitors. You can have unlimited visitors to your funnels. Unlike the other funnel builders, we do not restrict you on the number of visitors or number of orders. You can have unlimited orders. So we do have a mobile application, but it is only available under pro version and under the agency version. It is not available under the light version. Using a mobile application, you can deliver your entire course to your students or your customers using iOS and Android applications. So they can log into your course using their apps, and they can watch the videos on their mobile phone. Now check out all these options that we have available, the light version, the pro version, and the agency version. They come with different features and different access levels. So we look forward to your order, and thank you so much.